Hey baddies. So we all want to sleep flawless, right? Sleep flawless, wake up flawless, sleep cute, right? That's what we all want to do. Wake up cute. So I want to introduce you to the yellow, sunshine yellow. Yellow is my favorite color. Like yellow represents warmth and happiness and sunshine. And how could you not feel cute in yellow, right? How could you not be happy in yellow? So I want to introduce you to the sunshine yellow My Best Hair Kit. So the My Best Hair Kit includes a bonnet, a scrunchie, and a scarf. And it is everything you need to be on your way to your best hair life, right? It's going to be what you need to save you time so you can reclaim your time and spend less time doing your hair and more time doing the things you love, like me time or spending time with family or sleeping in like 10 minutes longer because you don't have to spend that time on your hair. So again, I'm going to show you the Sunshine Yellow My Best Hair Kit. Okay, so the My Best Hair Kit was created because I felt like you need an option to you needed an option for hairstyle, for your nightly hairstyle protection routine, right? So like you can't, sometimes your hair, your hairstyle needs more than a bonnet. You might need a scarf and a bonnet, or sometimes you might just need a bonnet only or a scarf. So I wanted to give you options with the My Best Hair Kit. So again, it includes a bonnet, a scrunchie, and a scarf. And so I'm going to show you I'm going to show you a technique that I use when I wrap my hair with locks, right? So with the My Best Hair Kit, you could have like a protective style, you could have, a silk press, a blowout, curls, no matter the hair, like your hair type or texture, the My Best Hair Kit is for you. Like it's for all hair types, all hair textures. Like it's for everything, for everybody, right? So, okay, I'm going to show you how I use the My Best Hair Kit for my locks, right? So you're going to take your scarf. And again, the Sunshine Yellow, I haven't even shown it to you yet, but it's beautiful, right? Okay, so here's the scarf. And so with my locks, I like to lay the edges of my hair. So I'm going to take the scarf, and it is a square. The scarves in the My Best Hair Kit are 35 inches by 35 inches. So you're going to take it and fold it into a triangle, like so. Boom. And then you're going to take this and put it at the base of your hair here. Is that considered the base? And then you're going to tie it around the back like this. And then you can double knot it or single knot it. When I go to sleep, I double knot it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to single knot it. Right? So then it's laying my edges. It's smoothing my locks, right? So you can see. And then if I don't want my locks to just be kind of flowing around while I'm sleeping, then I take my scarf and I put it on top. My bonnet, and I put it on top. Like so. And that way all my locks are here, like this. And that way I'm not like rolling over in my locks and all that good stuff. And so it works for long hair as well. Like some of my customers or some NPTressTreats bonnet baddies like to wear bonnets because their hair is really long and they don't want to roll over in it. They don't want their partner rolling over in it. So it helps protect their hair from, like I said, them rolling over in it, their partner rolling over in it. Like, have you ever had someone roll over in your hair and you're just like, I can't get my hair out? So basically, yes. So that is one reason for sure that bonnet baddies wear bonnets, right? So another thing you can do is you can just use your bonnet like so, right? You can just throw your locks or your curls or your blowout, your twist out, your two-strand twist, like whatever your style is, you can put it in your bonnet. Oh, I love this color. So freaking gorgeous. Look at this color. You can put your hair in your bonnet and then you can use your scarf to cover your pillow so you're not sleeping on cotton, because sleeping on cotton is not good for your skin. It absorbs the moisture of your skin, leading to like wrinkles, like premature, we're all gonna get wrinkles someday, premature wrinkles, fine lines, facial creases, acne, just like skin problems in general. And you don't want to use the cotton to absorb the moisture from your skin. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one side of your pillow, one side of your scarf, like that, right? It's going to be completely covered. And you can just cover it like this and lay on it like that. Or you can take the ends of your scarf like so, right? You can take the ends and then just tie it around the back like that in like a knot. So that way your scarf stays on your pillow all night. And you know, the cool thing is because it's a scarf and it's not a pillowcase, you can just take it off in the morning and wash it using your NPTressTreats bonnet wash. Wash it in the sink, hang it to dry. It takes about 15 minutes. So that way you're not sleeping on the same like dirty scarf every night, because of course like your skin gets on it, your hair, and then it gets onto the material, and then that could also cause skin issues because it has like the oils from your hair and your hair and your skin all over it. So you want to kind of wash your pillowcases at least like a few times a week. I recommend washing them a few times a week. But if you have a scarf, you can just, like I said, take it off in the morning, throw it in the sink, hang it to dry, and it is ready for you at night when you get home. Okay, so here it is. So this is an option, of course. And then, of course, you have your scrunchie, right? Like, you can put it in your purse, put it on your gear shift. I know a lot of people do that. Put it, like, on your bike handle. Whatever your preferred transportation method. Like I said, throw it in your purse. Either way, you got a scrunchie, a bonnet, and a scarf with the My Best Hair Kit. So, I hope that you found this video helpful. And that was just one of the techniques you can use. Like I said, you can use it so many ways. I'm going to show you one more just because, like, why not, right? So we're going to take it off of your pillow here, and then we're going to take it, and you're going to take your, this, right, and then put your hair up like so, right, so you have like a high, like, bun here, and then we're going to take your scarf, and you're just going to fold it like a little, like, fold the corner over a little bit. And then just take it around the back and then do like one of these. A quick little trick here. And take these ends. Sometimes I twist it. Take it, tie it around the back. Boom. Boom. And then you have like another little nightly hair protection routine there. So I hope that helps. And yeah, don't forget to get your Sunshine Yellow My Best Hair Kit at NPTressTreats.com. We also have like 20 other combinations, or you can create your own combination, right? By selecting the bonnet of your choice and the scarf of your choice. So I hope that helps. Love y'all.